Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basics. Check the cable type and look for bent pins or frayed shielding, then swap in a known good cable. Once done, connect to another port on the GPU or to a different monitor to isolate the source. Make sure Windows or Mac OS is set to the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. Mismatches cause flicker. You're eliminating external suspects fast, so the remaining steps focus on drivers and hardware adjustments. You now address software and power. Update your graphics drivers to the latest WHQL or vendor release, and check the monitor's firmware update from the manufacturer. Once updated, disable adaptive sync or variable refresh to see if stable refresh eliminates flicker. This isolates timing mismatch issues. Also swap power sources and use the original adapter or a quality surge protector. Voltage instability often manifests as flicker. If changes stop the flicker, reinstate one variable at a time to find the culprit. Finish with hardware-level verification. Power down and reseat the GPU and monitor cable. A loose connector causes intermittent flicker. Once rebooted, test different refresh rate and color depth combinations. For example, 60Hz versus 120Hz and 8-bit versus 10-bit to narrow compatibility issues. If flicker persists after these steps, substitute components. Try another cable, a different adapter, or connect the monitor to another PC. Troubleshooting tip: if swapping parts removes flicker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.